Okay, so here's the dilemma. How do we get this bottle with this little neck into this bottle with this little neck? If you take this thing here and pour it into here, you're going to get a mess. I'm going to show you how. If you're lucky, you can do this. But usually it just goes all over the place. So here's my idea. Take this, fits onto the gallon. So now this is designed to fit into this neck. So now we're gonna go squeezing the big bottle hard, letting some air into it. The tube is designed to fit inside the neck of the small bottle. Now the bottle is 3/4 full. Let's see if we can do this again. It's a little hard to monitor how much is going in, but the end result is it's going in. And the bottle's full now. So now I've got my full bottle of 32-ounce TLC. Down here, take this. Take the cap off if I want to. I can rinse it out. Maybe keep the product that's here as I waste it. Okay, so I just took my nozzle, rinsed it out with some water. So I'm going to take my TLC. TLC Plus is a little bit thicker, a little bit harder to fill than TLC, I think anyways. So I still have some in the gallon. I don't have a whole lot, but I'm gonna put on my little nozzle here that I made. Be able to put it into here like so. Fits inside the neck, fits deep in the neck. And then I can just take this, squeeze this. Let me see if I can get some to come out. I know it's fairly empty. The other thing to do is I could probably just do this. Keep this still. And that's another way I could do it.